for today's party, I'm gonna serve my guests those appetizer. And all those things you can find on the Jack&king website below. And make sure you check it out. And those are stuff is so easy to make. Your guests will love it for the appetizer. First, we're gonna start with vegetable spring roll. Look at this Asian restaurant.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so bad at cooking, but no problem. I have a friend, Sharon.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Sharon. I am from the Real Cho State, or people know me as the Share Bear, or you can follow me online at Showing Vegas Homes. I'm here today to actually cook some goodies with Cindy because she's not an expert, but I am.
I know, I'm so lucky to have a Sharon. I'm hosting this party today, which I got a lot of appetizer. I found this website. It's called Jack&king, which they have tons of goodie on the website. And the bad thing is, they can get everything delivered to your house if you just spend $69 or over, such as the spring roll here. And Sharon, what else do we have?
So it looks like we have the shrimp ball in the lychee shape. That's amazing. That's actually, this is actually pretty good. Then we have a pumpkin cake. This is more of a dessert than savory. Then we would have the sesame rice ball. This is actually one of my favorites. And you can actually find these in a lot of restaurants. And don't mind the presentation on this one. I couldn't wait to cook. So it's all ripped, but I can't wait to cook this. It looks really good.
All right, Sharon, I'm looking at this box of frozen spring roll.
Yes.
How do I do with it?
So, you'd be surprised. It's not that hard. So, here, thank you for having it open, Cindy.
Oh.
I have a great sous chef here. So, these spring rolls will need to be in a deep fryer, anywhere between 300 to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. And looks like you've already got the oil done.
Of course,
Yay!
Overachiever.
So what we'll do is we'll put maybe 3 or 4 in.
All right.
And then start deep frying them.
Oh my God, this is...
So as we're deep frying this...
Oh my God, look at
Yay! Don't be afraid, guys.
Oh my gosh, Sharon.
So as we deep fry, you do want to turn it around little by little. Okay?
So that's let's do maybe 6 first.
Oh, okay, of course.
So, ooh.
Let's like...
Those are pretty big spring roll, right?
Yes. So actually these spring rolls are vegetable spring rolls. Not everyone likes beef.
Yep.
So it's actually good and a good appetizer. So it's not too heavy, right?
I'm sure that's the reason I ordered this one, because spring roll is such a crossover item. Anybody know about that, and
right?
Anybody will eat it.
Super easy to prepare. The only thing is it's just preparing the oil. But again, if you have a great sous chef like Cindy, who cares about the oil? Right?
See, I'm helping you turn it down a little bit.
So as we're frying this, you do want to flip it as we go, because you don't only want one side to be fried. So as you can see, it's turning. I think we can take that out, Cindy. Yep.
Oh. You mean we don't serve this?
Yes, right? So as you can see what I'm doing, you want to flip it around just once.
Wow, the colors start to turn already.
Yes, the nice light golden, right, texture here. And then you want to just keep an eye on it. Again, you want to fry them evenly. Some people want to put the whole pot or have the oil fill up to the entire pot, but I think this was good enough.
Right, and also, we did mention earlier, those spring roll are actually a bigger size. So
yes.
I'm glad that they're not those teeny tiny ones.
Yes, the smaller bites are, we have to fight over them.
Yeah,
But this one's a good size. I think per person 2 would be good. I eat 4, so yes, 4 will be for me.
I don't know where you fit all that food.
You'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. I'm going to make it a little bit higher, the temperature, right?
Ooh.
So
I wish you can smell this.
I know, this is really good.
Yeah.
Did you have any sauce for this, Cindy? Did you prepare a sauce?
Of course.
Yes?
I don't know about you, but in my culture, usually we use like a sweet chili or hot sriracha sauce. How about for you?
For Koreans, we do a lot of soy sauce, vinegar, and red chili pepper. But That sauce sounds really good.
Well, we definitely can do that today too. It looks like they have a lot of ingredient inside too.
Yes, it looks like you actually most of the times when they do vegetable spring rolls, it's cabbage, carrots, and I'm gonna have to say sometimes I put greens. Like you can try like chives, but this one I think is predominantly cabbage and carrots. Sometimes even morning glory greens, whichever green you like. Some people might even actually add tofu for those who don't have meat, but it's all up to you. But these are pre-made from Jack&king. Remember that.
I'm sure our guests will love it because today we have a lot of non-Asian guests today, and a lot of them are chef.
Oh yay!
And I'm sure they had this before, but you know, nothing more faster than just off the flyer like this.
Absolutely, absolutely. Plus, you're making it for them with the sauce ready. I kind of see.
Well, you're kind of making it. All right, let's wait for it to turn brown.
Yes, let's wait for this to complete.
Okay.
And now you can see it's almost ready, actually. And
you
want
so?
it to be this, and you want it to be this color. I think these are actually, ready. You don't have, doesn't have to be too much because we don't have any actual meat in it. Veggies cooked first. There you go.
That's right. So those are the veggie ones. So we don't want to overcook.
And what's amazing about this is everything that we receive from Jack&king, we can use exactly the same pot, right? Since it's at the perfect temperature, and start cooking the rest.
They really make our life easy.
They did. Everything's already